Let me share with you how to make this soft, milky bread without using your oven if you haven't got one. So to make our milk bread, we'll go in with 1 cup of warm milk, add in 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of dry active yeast. Give this a nice stir and set it aside to know if the yeast is still active to make our bread. Now go in with a dry bowl, add in 3 cups of flour, add in 1 teaspoon of salt and half a cup of sugar. Give this a nice whisk and now go ahead and add in 1 large egg. Add in 75-gram melted butter. Mix this up together. And now go in with the yeast, which we have already proved to know if it's still active. So after adding in the yeast, you want to go ahead and use your hand to mix this up together and transfer this into your work surface. Add in just a drop of a tablespoon of cooking oil. Go ahead now and start kneading this dough, which will take you about 6 minutes to do so. So after kneading the dough, drop in a drop of cooking oil in a bowl. Use it to rub around the dough to prevent it from sticking to the bowl. So at this point, get in your cling film. I didn't know where I kept my cling film, so I just went in with my clean shopping bag. Use it to wrap up the bowl of the dough, cover it up and put this in a dry place and allow this to proof for about an hour. So this was an hour later. I went ahead, just go ahead and give the dough a punch to take off the air inside. And at this point, we'll go ahead now and divide our dough. So for all the full list of the ingredients used in making our bread, I'm going to have them listed on the comment section and on the description box. Do check out the comment section. I'm going to pin that so you can access it if you want to make yours. And thank you for clicking on this video. If it's your first time here, hey, you're welcome to Lydia Isaac Recipes. In here I share videos showing you simplest and easiest way for you to achieve what you desire to eat. So right now I have divided the dough into 3 balls, which I have gone ahead now to prep my baking pan with some butter and flour. I'll go ahead and start rolling each of the dough ball into a flat size, and I'll roll it up. So if it's your first time here, thank you for clicking on this video. Please, if you find this recipe helpful, go ahead, click on the like button. If you have any question for me, go on the comment section, drop it, and I will go there and give you the answers to your questions. If you've not subscribed to the channel, please do go ahead and subscribe so you will not miss any of my easy and simple recipes. So after rolling the dough, you want to make sure you give them some space inside your baking pan because we're going to be proofing this dough again, so it will have some space to rise up. So now I will cover it up with my cling film and set it aside for 45 minutes so it will rising up. So this was 45 minutes later. You can see the dough have risen up and it's looking really beautiful. At this point, I'll get in 1 egg. I'm going to be using just the egg yolk without the egg whites. I'll go in with a tablespoon of milk, mix it with the egg yolk and brush this out into the dough. And I'll set in my baking pot, add in some salt as my baking base. I'll go in and put in anything to elevate the bottom of the baking pan so the bottom of the bread will not get burnt. and I'll put this on a medium heat, allow it to bake for 20 minutes, and there you go, our bread is ready. If you want to bake this on the oven, I'll put in the direction and time that you need to bake it for. And this is what our bread looked like. I went ahead and baked the other little one inside the pot also, and you can see what it looks like. It looks really gorgeous, soft and buttery. Yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like. And you can see what the bottom of the bread look like. That is why you need something to elevate it from not sticking to the bottom of the pot. So I allow the bread to cool down, and you can see what it looks like. Like, this bread smell really nice, so soft, and the kids enjoyed using it for their school pack lunch. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.